Look like SPY might try to start an uptrend right here. If you look at the 2-hour chart on SPY, you can see that we're in an uptrend. Let me draw it. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, lower high, higher, low, boom. If we break this high right here, which is yesterday's high, that boy could take off. I'm gonna just enter on the 2-minute though. You see the same thing on the 2-minute chart. The uptrend. Low, high, higher, low. Boom, breaking the highs right now. Was trying to. Yeah, let me see. Boy, it might be trying to go. Let's see where this candle close at. See if it closes above yesterday's high. Let me see if it closes above high today. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna try SPY right here. I'm at SPY calls right now. Tight stop loss right below this breakout candle. I'm in there 0 DTE, so them contracts gonna move fast. Having a little bit of trouble with yesterday's highs. We might have a little pullback coming in right here, which is cool as long as we hold that uptrend. So we need that boy to make another higher low. All right, that boy SPY is trying to hold up right here at pre-market highs. The green line. Bouncing off a little bit. We trying to make that higher low. Good. Now, yes sir. We gotta break above high today. Here we go. I'm gonna trail my stop loss up a little bit. Yes sir. There we go, SPY. Come on, man. Big move. Need that boy to hold up here. Let's see if that boy can hold. You see that uptrend is trying to start. Boom. And that boy got a big old top wick on it. Bear's trying to hold us down. Let's see if we can hold this low though. Hey, we in a battle right now, man. All right, we just broke and held above this high day area and yesterday's highs. Wicked at it last time. Just held above it. Let's see if we can run now. Break above this wick. Good. Yes, sir. Big old candle. Come on, man. That boy SPY is moving crazy, bro. Yes, sir. Come on, man. I'm trying to tell y'all boys, man. Market sniper, stop playing with me, man. We gone. We gone. Oh my gosh. Let me take some profits right here. Look back on that 2-hour chart. Broke past yesterday's highs. Continue that uptrend. Good. Look at that beautiful uptrend on the 2-minute. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low. Boom. Going crazy. I'm really a trend killer, bro. Boy, it's still going. Golly. Golly. Oh my gosh. Hey, we might get a 200%er, man. Come on. Yeah, look like this might be the higher low on SPY to continue the uptrend. Yup. There we go. Yes, sir. I'm gonna trim my stop loss right here. This candle breaking out. Yes, sir, right below that breakout candle. Come on, man. Give me the 200. Yes, sir. Come on, man. Keep going. 200, man. Let me take some more profits right here. Yes, sir. Come on, man. Legendary day right now. Cash broke the 200 mark. This is the second time in my trading career I broke the 200% mark. Still going. Oh my gosh. I took most of my position off. I got a little bit left. I'm gonna just let that boy run for the moon. I just had to get a chunk at 200%. I mean, just to say I got some profits at 200%, man. You feel me? If that boy run to 300, oh my gosh, crazy. We might get another pullback. Yup, look like it. Here it come. We need that boy to hold that uptrend though. Make another higher low. So we can keep on going up. Look like SPY trying to hold up right here. SPY found some support right here. Boom. All these bounces. I'm gonna trail my stop loss right below support. If we break past high of day again, we're gonna give another move up. There we go. Another higher low right here. Yes, sir. You see that trend still going. Boom, 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 boom. That boy SPY failing. That boy SPY close to that trailing stop. We see how I react right here. I do see bearish structure coming in. It was bullish, higher lows and higher highs. Now it's making a lower high right here, which is telling me we got bears coming in. If we break this low, I'm gonna get out. That boy holding that support zone. 5-minute chart, the candles is getting a little weak up here. We got some indecision candles. That boy is getting a little weak. Let's see what we do. Yeah, that boy SPY chilling right now. Consolidation. That boy close to that stop loss. Trying to break support. Get ready to exit. See what it do. Boy breaking down. Let me see. See how I react right here. I ain't just gonna jump out. Oh yeah, let me get out. Hey, a legendary trade, man. Cats got up to 200%, bro. For only the second time in my career. Cats is going crazy, man. I'm always adding to the bag, and I'm always getting better. Let me show you what happened on the 2 hour. This is why I entered the trade right here. Simple, very simple. We was in an uptrend. Low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, higher low right here, boom. We finally broke out, broke above these highs, broke above yesterday's high, took off, boom. And I just entered on the 2 minute. Let me go to the 2 minute, look at it. 2 minute chart, look at that uptrend, man. Low, high, higher low, boom. Got in calls right here. Higher high, higher low, boom. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Lower high, which is bearish, boom, broke this low, I got out. Know what I mean? Look at that trend. And it flipped up here, which told me to get out. So I got all the bread, man. I ain't leave no crumbs on the table. Got all my bread. Let's look at the 5 minute. 5 minute. Look at that, bro. Huge move. Cats got in way down here. Look at that move, man. Got in calls right here. Boom. Stop loss. Right below that candle. That breakout candle. Ran that boy way up. I can't remember where my max take profit was at, but wherever it was, somewhere up here. What is that? 1 to 7 risk reward. 1 to 7 risk reward ratio, man. Beautiful. Tight stop loss. Boy, it took off. Look at that boy spilling after it flipped bearish. You know what I mean? That's why it's time to get out. But if y'all boys rock with the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know what's going on. I'm out of here.